Hey guys, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia if this is your first time here. So today I decided to vlog. I know that I've been a little skimp on the videos, but I decided, okay, I'm off today and I actually have a lot to do. Why not film it? Because y'all be wanting more lifestyle videos. So here we are filming a day in my life off day version. So I have a lot to do and I'm about to get started. First I gotta clean up, y'all, because it's a little bit of a disaster in here, only because even on my off days we are busy. We are some busy individuals, and then especially on Sundays when we get out of church, we don't want to do nothing. We just be chilling. Today I have to film some videos, go to the store, do some returns. I have to go to school tonight. We are starting real estate school tonight. Woo! It's gonna be a fun journey. I'm excited, but right now we're clean, so let's do it. Guys, before I get into this vloggy vlog, I gotta give y'all the verse of the day. Duh. Today's verse of the day says, be completely humble and gentle, be patient, bearing with one another in love. That is Ephesians chapter 4 verse 2. So don't forget to start the day off with a little bit of Jesus, and don't forget to say your prayers. Okay. Y'all, I forgot to tell y'all why I'm so tired today. So today it is already, what time is it? It's 10:48, almost 11 o'clock, and we were up until 3 o'clock this morning. Well, I was up till 3 o'clock this morning watching Insecure. He was up till like 4 o'clock this morning watching Insecure. We already on season 3, I think. But it's really good. If you watch it, let me know, because I'm just now getting into it. Everywhere. They're everywhere. Don't judge us for what our bedroom is looking like right now, because listen, it's okay. It is a hot mess. Ooh, we got the best lighting. I'll give that to my apartment complex. But our room is a mess and I'm about to tackle it now. The living room is spotless, kitchen beautiful. We gotta get this mess in here. Oh, here we go. Why does one need so much water, but he never drinks it all? I don't understand. Is this what it's like living with a man? Whew. It got hot, y'all. Y'all remember all them waters I showed y'all on somebody's nightstand? He chugging all 3 of them. Anyways, I have completed my cleaning, so I'll give y'all a little mini apartment tour because there's really not much to see. But I'm gonna show y'all. Let me take this bun off. I was about to get in the toilet and I was not here for that, okay? So we can come through. This is our little nook where we keep our keys and mail. We're so cute, right? And then when you come down this hallway, this is kind of like a junk. Oh gosh, okay. Candles, tissue, stuff, laundry. This is his bathroom where he cuts hair and stuff. And then in here is a room that we love. It's kind of plain, but this is our, hey, what is this room called? It's the baby room. Baby room, boy. Where we birth babies. Oh, okay, this is where we birthing new ideas. So it's just kind of here right now. This is his space over here. And then my mini warehouse, Mia's main. Got a lot dropping soon, so stay tuned. Oh.
My nigga that took us it out.
So then we come out from this hallway. This is the front door. I ain't gonna show y'all the floor because somebody need to take the trash out. And then here is our space. So when you come this way, it's our bedroom, nice and clean. And then we have our bathroom. And don't judge me, I ain't cleaned this closet, but our closet. Coming out of the bedroom, we have the full body mirror where I took all my selfies. And then you loop around and you have the living space. My favorite part of the house. I love our couch. My sister decorated everything. She kind of took over as if she lived here, but you know, it's cool. Then over here we got our kitchen. Y'all, it's a story behind how we moved into this place. We hated it, okay? This is ugly. This was real ugly, but we just made it a vibe, right? We bounced off of these colors in here to make it all cohesive.
Y'all did it?
No, you didn't. But we hated it. Like, I was finna go out. That's how bad it was. If y'all want a story on that, let me know. I'll put it on our couples channel where he can help me talk about it. Anyways, okay. And then over here is where we eat. Lately, we've been eating on the couch. This is our humble abode. We love it. So now, I think I'm finna run some errands real quick. It is 12:15 right now. Oh, I need to film some videos. I need to run to the mall and return some stuff, exchange some stuff. I need to go to FedEx to get our stuff ready for school this evening. I gotta take his mom's microlinks out today. I gotta cook dinner today. Wow, I got a lot to do, but cleaning is off the checklist, so I am happy about that because it feels good in here, feeling positive in here. It's a vibe in here, okay? It's nice and cozy. I gotta go to the gym. Well, I'm going to the gym after class tonight.
That's a pretty day.
It is a pretty day today. I am really taking y'all along with me today for everything, which is so funny, but put your seatbelt on. It's gonna keep dinging in my video.
Dang, you gonna wait till I put some box?
Buckle up, Buster. I'm getting Chick-Fil-A. Can you order it on my phone so we don't have to wait on that long? Here, place the order.
You should let me drive.
I should have let you drive.
Come on, let's do it.
Okay, I'm gonna pull over here. Go fast, go. What do you want? You want a spicy?
I want a double cheeseburger with
We are going to Chick-Fil-A. They don't have cheeseburgers. What's y'all's Chick-Fil-A order? His is spicy chicken sandwich with pepper jack cheese, Polynesian sauce, as well as a fry. You want a large or a small? A medium. With honey roasted barbecue sauce and barbecue sauce. And then my order is a Chick-Fil-A sandwich. Oh my gosh, a Chick-Fil-A sandwich with no pickles, with either a fruit punch, light ice, or
don't want to do the soup.
Fruit punch or lemonade. You want soup instead? I love Chick-Fil-A app. I feel like if you don't use the Chick-Fil-A app, something is seriously wrong with you. If you still go to the window and order, it's weird. It looks sketchy.
It looks sketchy.
Welcome to Memphis. Oh, he was looking. Alright, we'll see y'all in Chick-fil-A. So, my honey went inside to get our order so that we can eat. If you haven't seen my last video, which is my car tour video, check it out if you want to see more details on my vehicle. I love it so much. And you'll hear me say that 1,000 times in the video because I do. But it feels so good in Memphis today. Like, oh my goodness. What am I making today? I'm making Chrissy Teigen's chicken and dumplings, and it is so good. If y'all haven't made it before or had it before, very good. Very, very, very good. He's mine. Okay, eat like you got some sense now. You need to lay down a towel. He'll have food in his hair, on his knees, on his feet. Food be everywhere. On his elbows. It just be food everywhere.
Come on, Amelia.
Eat clean now.
Act right now.
People always ask us, how is it living in Memphis? Oh my gosh, are you scared? No, we just know where to go and where not to go. We know what to look out for and what's not a red flag. Like, we just, when you grow up here, you know. Your parents let you know, like, all right, don't be in South Memphis. So, okay, you're gonna get popped.
You can tell how people move, like, yeah, they're a little sketchy.
And we're very observant. Could be nosy, but observant.
Like you lady right here.
She just enjoying her lunch. Leave her alone.
She chilling. Some people like, you walk around with a chip on their shoulder. Like,
mad at the world.
Looking for something.
Ain't did nothing to them. All right, guys. We'll catch up with y'all when we doing something interesting. This one is barely enough space. We are now at Chevy. Somebody has to get a new key for his Camaro. So he's gonna run in and do that really quick while I share some really big news with y'all. So I am going to share with you guys some really big news. A couple of months ago, I was reached out to by a local magazine. So my line sister Jasmine, who is a makeup artist, y'all should definitely go check her out. MUA Jazz. I will try to put it on the screen. I'll be saying it and I always forget. MUA Jazz on Instagram. Go check her out. But she nominated me to be a part of an article. We'll have my own article on a magazine called the Memphis Voyager, which is really cool. I'm gonna leave the link below so that y'all can check it out. But I just got word that it is completed and now live on their site. So I'm going to show you guys. But here it is. Can y'all see me? It is a nice little lengthy article about Mia's Main, my business, and then there's some of my work, which I love. Look at her go. I'm just really excited, and shout out to my friend Walisha who took my pictures for me. I'm just so excited about this, and I hope that you guys can be excited with me. So go check out that article. I'm gonna leave it in the description below. But yeah, go check out my article. Next stop is I have to go to his mom's house to take out her microlinks. She gets that kind of special privilege because I love her. We got everything hole punched and put in our notebooks. It is thick, y'all. This is a lot, and I'm excited but nervous at the same time to start this journey, but it's gonna all be worth it. Y'all ready? Do y'all watch ASMRs? I don't know. Okay, here we go. That was not very satisfying. Have y'all noticed that I'm back driving because somebody wanted to eat more? Update, guys. I'm back in the passenger seat. We just left his mother's house. We are now headed home. We are very behind on schedule, but I'm gonna still try to go home and film at least one video for y'all. That wasn't my plan for today, and I need to stick to my plan before school. Ooh. But I'm gonna try to stick to my plan. I love coming home to a clean house. We're about to film. I don't like my lighting. I'm losing daylight, so it's not really working out in my favor. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Mia's Maid. My name is Mia. If this is your first time here. So, because my lighting is about to be trash, this is definitely not gonna work. I'm probably just going to film tomorrow because I don't have much time. Actually, I don't even think I'll be able to film tomorrow. I'll probably just have to film one day this week because I don't want to rush content out for you guys. So we're gonna put that on pause. I do need to cook anyways. It's 4:30. I think I got time to whip something up really quick. We're gonna put that on hold, and I'm just gonna film another day when I have more lights, because that is going to look a hot mess, and I don't like to put out halfway hot mess content. So I'm about to cook really quickly, and I'll be right back because I'm finna go change too. Okay, I'm about to make Chrissy Teigen's chicken and dumplings. I have her cookbook. I love it so much. Here it is. It's so good with extra dumplings. Okay, and I'm finna turn on Insecure, but have completed our chicken and dumplings, our dinner. We got 4 minutes to log on. This battery is about to die. I'm pretty much finna just end this vlog here. Thank y'all for hanging out with us today. We're finna go to school and eat, and we'll see y'all in our next video. Well, in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. And okay, bye.